Yes, students, so very good morning and once again, welcome to your class today, English class. As you all know that we have been doing the chapter number 3, The Midnight Visitor by Robert Arthur in our previous classes. It was a very interesting chapter. बहुत मजा आ रहा था हमें इसे पढ़ते हुए. In today's class, we are going to finish it. Okay. So hopefully we'll finish the chapter and along with that, we are going to take up the exercises, the question answer and the discussion part of the chapter. So first of all, we'll complete the remaining chapter. That is, you can see page number 16. We'll take it up again from the word you can see fowler. That is from the fourth paragraph, first word fowler. I hope everybody is able to locate it, right? Here it's given. You can see this word fowler. From here, we are going to take it again. So that the reason why we take it from little, we can say that we have completed the part, but again we are taking that little part of it is just to connect it properly to the previous class. Because कल जहाँ पे हमने उसको फिनिश किया है, अगर हम आज उसके आगे से लेते हैं तो एक प्रॉपर कनेक्शन नहीं हो पाएगा, राइट? सो मेक अप अ प्रॉपर कनेक्शन. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, हम उसके साथ उसको कनेक्ट कर लेंगे. तो see, Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking at the door. Now suddenly what happened? एक knocking होती है door पे. And the Fowler, who's Fowler? Fowler is the writer. He suddenly jumps up at the knocking of the door. Now Osabel just smiles and says what? That will be the police, he said. कि पुलिस होगी और तो कौन होगा? मैंने पुलिस को ही आने के लिए कह रखा था. I have asked police to come over here. So ये पुलिस ही होगी. I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. He says कि मैंने पुलिस को इसलिए इन्फॉर्म किया था बिकॉज ऐसा आई थॉट दैट इम्पोर्टेंट पेपर, सच एन इम्पोर्टेंट पेपर जिसके लिए हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं, फॉर शुड हैव अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन, की थोड़ी सी एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन होनी चाहिए. I told them to check on me to make sure everything was all right. And I have just told the police, I've asked the police to continuously keep a check on me and make sure that everything was all right, कि सब कुछ सही है. Max bit his lips nervously. Max ने बहुत ही nervously अपने lips को bite किया because वो घबरा गया. A thief, when comes to know that police is on the way or police is at the door, वो बहुत happy तो नहीं होगा ना. He is going to get nervous. Obvious सी चीज है, वो nervous ही होगा. And being nervous, सबसे पहली चीज क्या होती है? We start biting the nail or we start biting our lips जब हम डर जाते हैं. The same thing Max did. What he did, he bit his lips nervously. What will you do now, Max? Osabel asked. Osabel ने पूछा, Max, अब तुम क्या करोगे? If I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. Now he says that if I do not answer the door, अगर मैंने नहीं दरवाजे पे जो भी नॉक कर रहा है, अगर मैंने उनको आंसर नहीं किया ना, they will enter anyways. वो तो किसी भी तरीके से they are going to enter. The door is unlocked. दरवाजा क्या है? Unlocked. And they will not hesitate to shoot. And वो शूट करने में भी हेजिटेट नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, उसने बोला डोर इज नॉट लॉक्ड. इफ आई माई सेल्फ गो एंड डज नॉट ओपन द डोर, तो अल्टीमेटली क्या होने वाला है? वो फोर्सफुली उस डोर को ओपन कर लेंगे, वो जबरदस्ती उस दरवाजे को खोल लेंगे. एंड जैसे ही वो उस डोर को ओपन करेंगे, वो अंदर आएंगे एंड दे विल नॉट एट ऑल हेजिटेट एंड दे आर गोइंग टू शूट. ये सुनते ही मैक्स फेस वाज ब्लैक विद एंगर. मैक्स का फेस एकदम ब्लैक गुस्से से. एज ही बैक्ड स्विफ्टली टुवर्ड्स द विंडो, उल्टे कदम बढ़ा रहा है वो खिड़की की तरफ, उनकी तरफ पिस्टल उसने वो पूरा पॉइंट कर रखा है. एंड नाउ ही गॉट टू नो, उसको पता था कि पीछे विंडो के पास में क्या है, एक बालकनी. एज टोल्ड बाय हु? एज टोल्ड बाय ओसाबेल. सो he swiftly backed towards the window and he swung a leg over the sill. उसने उस सिल से अपनी एक लेग उधर की तरफ swung कर ली. Send them away, he warned. और उसने उनको warn किया, just send them away, इनको यहाँ से भेज दो. I will wait on the balcony. मैं balcony में wait करूँगा. Send them away. भेज दो इनको और I will shoot and take my chances. Or otherwise what I am going to do? या फिर या तो इनको वापस भेज दो. I am warning to you. If you will not do that, I am going to wait on the balcony. Send them or I am going to shoot. या फिर मैं शूट कर दूंगा. टेक एंड टेक माई चांसेस. एंड जो मैं मौके का फायदा उठा सकता हूँ, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेक. सो इट्स अप टू यू व्हाट यू वांट. यू वांट मी टू शूट और यू वांट देम टू गो अवे. It's up to you. You can do. I am waiting on the balcony outside. He's saying so. He just hung his one leg on the other side of the window sill and वो बस वहाँ से move करना चाह रहा था. The knocking at the door became louder and the voice was raised. अब knocking जो थी ना दरवाजे से, it became louder. और बढ़ गई एंड द वॉइस वाज रेज्ड, और आवाज जो थी इट वाज रेज्ड, ऊंची उठाई गई. मिस्टर ओसाबेल, मिस्टर ओसाबेल. नाउ व्हाट वाज द वॉइस? मिस्टर ओसाबेल, मिस्टर ओसाबेल ऐसी आवाज आ रही थी. एक्चुअल में वहां कौन था? वाज द वेटर्स. और ये लोग क्या सोच रहे थे ना, द पुलिस इज कंटिन्यूअसली टॉकिंग. अब यहाँ पे ये देख रहे हो, यू कैन सी द पिक्चर. सीन देखो किस तरीके से मैक्स उनकी तरफ पॉइंट किए हुए अपने पिस्टल को. विंडो से देखो, ही इज हैंगिंग वन लेग ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द विंडो. जैसे ही दूसरी लेग उधर करेगा, ही इज नॉट एट ऑल गोइंग टू लैंड ऑन द बालकनी, ही इज गोइंग टू लैंड समवेयर एल्स. नाउ सी वो समवेयर एल्स कहाँ होता है. Keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest. The man at the window grasped the frame with his free hands to support himself. Then he swung his other leg up and over the window sill. Now, अपनी बॉडी को ट्विस्टेड रखते हुए, मतलब स्ट्रेट नहीं है, इट्स ट्विस्टेड. व्हाई? बिकॉज एक लेग किधर हैंग कर रही है, आप आधे किधर हो आधे किधर हो, यू आर जस्ट इन अ ट्विस्टिंग पोजीशन. So keeping his body twisted so that उसकी जो गन है ना still covered the fat man and his guest. गन ने अभी भी वो fat man और उसके guest को, that is Fowler and Ossabel, दोनों को cover कर रखा है. And the man at the window grasped the frame. Look at the picture and understand the scene. उसने उस window frame को grasp कर रखा है with his free hand, अपने free hand के साथ में, and to support himself. And वो क्या कर रहे हैं? Is supporting himself, just supporting himself with the grasp of his hand on the window frame. Then he hung his other leg up and over the window sill. अब window sill के ऊपर से उसने अपनी दूसरी leg भी क्या कर दी? Also swung his other leg. दूसरी leg भी ऐसे swung करके उधर की तरफ ले गया. अब बताओ उसका क्या होने वाला है? The door knob turned. जैसे ही उसने ऐसा किया, दरवाजे का knob turn हुआ. As soon as the door knob turned, what happened? Swiftly Max pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill and drop to the balcony. जैसे ही दरवाजा खुला ना, Max thought कि now the police is entering the room. So what he did with his left hand to free himself from the sill. Now he, in order to free himself from the sill, what he did, उसने अपने left hand को भी छोड़ दिया and dropped to the balcony, and he straight away dropped to the balcony. And then as he dropped, he screamed once shrilly. और जैसे ही वो ड्रॉप हुआ ना, वो एक बार जोर से चिल्लाया. वो एक बार क्यों चिल्लाया? That ultimately he wanted to land on the balcony, but balcony जैसा तो कुछ था नहीं. So उन्होंने जैसे वो छोड़ा, one sharp shrill came, one cry of shrill came from his side, and उसके बाद में कोई आवाज नहीं आई because he landed on the ground. The door opened and the waiter stood there with a tray, a bottle, and 2 glasses. Now the door opened and the waiter was standing over there. Waiter के पास में एक tray था, bottle थी, and 2 glasses were in his hand. Here is the drink you ordered for when you returned. He says, ये रही वो drink, sir, that you have ordered while you were returning back to your room. He said and set the tray on the table. ऐसा कह के उन्होंने tray को table पे रखा. Deftly uncorked the bottle and left the room. और उन्होंने क्या किया? उसको बॉटल को अनकॉर्क किया, मींस उसका जो कवर था उसको ओपन किया, उसका कैप था बॉटल का, उसको निकाल दिया and left it on the table and he left the room. और वहां से चले गए. White-faced Fowler stared him after him, but he stammered, "The police?" Now what happened? Now उन्होंने क्या बोला? फाउलर का फेस जस्ट वाइट. सो वाइट फेस्ड फाउलर stared after him. वो उसको देखते रहे घूर घूर के. He says, but he stammered. He says, but sir, वो पुलिस जो नॉक कर रही थी, उसे आना था, वो उसका क्या? There were no police Osabel's side, only Henry, whom I was expecting. Now ओसाबेल ने साय करते हुए, व्हाट डिड ओसाबेल सेड? ओसाबेल ने बोला, देयर वर नो पुलिस, कोई पुलिस नहीं थी यहाँ पे, कोई भी पुलिस नहीं थी यहाँ पे. ओनली हेनरी whom I was expecting, सिर्फ हेनरी था जिसे मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था, जो हमें यहाँ पे ड्रिंक्स देने आने वाला था. बट वांट दैट मैन आउट ऑन द बालकनी. फाउलर बिगिन. फाउलर ने बोला, बट आपने ऐसा किया, इस तरह से आपने उसको चीट किया, बट वोंट दैट मैन बी ऑन द बालकनी, क्या वो आदमी बाहर बालकनी पे नहीं होगा? No, said Osabel. Osabel said no, he won't return. वो वापस रिटर्न नहीं होगा. You see, आप देखो, my young friends, there is no balcony. देखो my young friend, there is no balcony. That means that where he has landed, he has landed out of the balcony and he has landed straight on the ground. And this very smartly he was befooled by a clever criminal. And it's written by Robert Arthur. So now, as you all know, this was the chapter. It's completed by us and very nicely. I hope it's well explained to you and you have also understood it clearly. And now what we are going to do, we are going to discuss the various, we can say the question answer segment of this chapter. हम लोग उसको complete करते हैं. Okay. So I hope you all are ready to give me the answers, right? Ready everyone? Should I ask you the question answers? Yes. So let us do that task, okay? And after that, मैं आपके साथ में उसको complete कर दूंगी इस chapter को. एक बार छोटा सा revision दे. So when we are going to read and find out, the question number 1 is how is Osabel different from other secret agents? And the answer goes like this, that Osabel is different from other secret agents in many ways, right? More than one ways we can say. And that first thing is he has a smoking room in old gloomy French hotel on the 6th floor. That is the topmost floor. Physical appearance की बात करें तो he is extremely fat. Despite living in Paris for 20 years, he speaks French and German. Okay, and with a difficulty and has an American accent. The accent कैसा है? American. And instead of getting messages that are passed secretly to him by the beautiful girls, he gets only a routine telephone calls, making an appointment. So ये जो कुछ चीजें हैं ना, ये कभी भी किसी डिटेक्टिव में नहीं मिलती हैं, बट ये नॉर्मल एक पर्सन में मिलती है. बट Osabel being a detective, उसके साथ में ये सब चीजें हैं. So these all things make him different from the other secret agents. Now next question. Who is Fowler and what is his first authentic thrill of the day? Now, as they have answered, the answer is Fowler is a fiction writer and who comes to meet Osabel. And Fowler's first authentic thrill of the day comes when, surprisingly, unexpectedly, they see a man in Osabel's room. And who was the man? He was Max. And what he was doing? He was pointing a pistol towards Osabel and himself, that is Fowler. So this was the first authentic thrill of the day that he has experienced. Okay. So this question, the question that how has Max got in? And the answer is that Max entered Osabel's room in his absence with the help of a master key or a pass key, we can say, right? Now the next question, how does Osabel say he got in? So the answer to this is that Osabel's intention was to do what? To confuse Max. Osabel's intention was to confuse Max. So he say that you have entered through the balcony. And how does he say so? वो indirectly क्या बोलता है? This is the second time in a month that somebody has entered my room the second time. From where? From the balcony. Balcony that is attached to the room next to the window of my room. So he just make him confused that you have entered from that side. But actually there was no balcony, there was nothing attached to the room. It was completely, अगर आप window से बाहर निकलते हो तो there's only ground, nothing else. But using the wittiness that he has, Osabel, he planned this fake story, and this is the way he says that from this way you have entered into the room. Okay. Okay, so see that Osabel did not fit. Now the next question that is think about it. Osabel did not fit any description of a secret agent Fowler had ever read. What do secret agents in books and films look like? In your opinion, discuss in groups or in class some stories or movies featuring the spies, the detectives, and secret agents and compare their appearance with that of Osabel in the story. You may mention characters from fiction in language other than English. In English fiction, you may have came across Sherlock Holmes, Hercule Poirot, and Miss Marple. Have you watched any movies featuring James Bond? तो ये सारे क्या है? Detective से related चीजें हैं. These are the big detective names of our literature section. सो अगर इनमें से क्या ऐसे फीचर्स हैं जो आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो दैट शुड बी इन अ डिटेक्टिव बट एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट. सो ये जो डिस्क्रिप्शन है सो हमें जस्ट ग्रुप्स में डिस्कस करना है दैट व्हाट द डिस्क्रिप्शन इज लाइक. सो आंसर इज गोइंग टू वेरी फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन बिकॉज सब अपने, अब किसी ने शर्लक होम्स देखी है तो वो उस बेस पे बताएंगे, किसी ने मिस मार्पल की डिटेक्टिव स्टोरीज के ध्यान में है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग बताएंगे, somebody has seen or watched the movies featuring James Bond तो उस अकॉर्डिंग बताएंगे. So answer is going to vary from person to person, but we can say that secret agents in the fiction, they are projected like idle men. They are very tall, very dark, very handsome, and they are usually very well built up, that is fit, and keep beautiful women for company. And they just keep beautiful women as their company. They would always smoke a pipe or a cigar and do death-defying stunts. James Bond हमें पता है is very famous character by Ian Fleming. एंड मूवीज जो जेम्स बॉन्ड पे बेस्ड होती हैं वो हमें क्या शो करती हैं, हाई टेक गिज़मोस व्हिच असिस्ट द डिटेक्टिव इन काउंटरिंग द विलेंस. ओके, विलेंस को काउंटर करने में. बट रीडिंग ऑल दीज डू यू फाइंड एनी वन सिंगल पॉइंट इन एनी वन ऑफ द पर्सन? ये ऐसा एक भी सिंगल पॉइंट आपको एक किसी कैरेक्टर में दिखाई दिया यहाँ पे? आपको ऐसी एक भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक सॉसाबेल में दिखाई दी नहीं. बट दिस इज एक्चुअली व्हाट दीस कैरेक्टर्स आर, हाउ दे लुक लाइक और हाउ दे बिहेव. How does Osabel manage to make Max believe that there is a balcony attached to his room? Look back at his detailed description of it. What makes it a convincing story? Now see. Next question है that how does Osabel manage to make Max believe कि एक balcony है attached to his room, उसके room से attached. Look back at his detailed description of it and what makes it a convincing story. Now, Osabel ने बहुत ही convincing story create की about the presence of balcony, and he says that twice in a month somebody has entered his room. From where? Through the balcony. And on being questioned by Max about the balcony, उसने क्या reply दिया? With extreme irritation, he says that it is not his balcony. वो मेरी balcony नहीं है. This is a natural reaction. ये नेचुरल रिएक्शन ने मैक्स को कन्विंस करने में बहुत ही मेजर रोल प्ले किया. मतलब उसने ना उस फॉर्मेलिटी वाली चीज को बहुत ही रियल सा एक वो दे दिया, लुक रियल लगने लगी चीज. नाउ ही फर्दर टेल्स मैक्स दैट हिज रूम वाज अर्लियर अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस लार्जर यूनिट, दैट इज द लार्जर अपार्टमेंट, एंड द एडजॉइनिंग रूम वाज द वन व्हिच हैड द बालकनी. And he says कि वो balcony extend होके is coming under my window, and this manner of description and speaking convinces Max that there is indeed a balcony under his window, and वो इस चीज को सुन करके he nearly starts believing it. Okay, now the next question. Looking back at the story, when do you think Osabel thought up his plan for getting rid of Max? Do you think he had worked out his plan in details right from the beginning, or did he make up a plan taking advantage of events as they happened? Now, looking back at the story, हमें ये बताना है that when do you think that Osabel ने एक thought up किया अपना plan जिससे कि he was getting rid of Max? And do you think क्या आपको ऐसा आप सोचते हो that he had worked out this plan in great details right from the beginning? कि उन्होंने प्लान को वर्कआउट किया है बिल्कुल कहां से, राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. डू यू फाइंड एनी डिटेल्स, और डिड ही मेक अप द प्लान टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ द इवेंट एज दे हैपेंड, या फिर वो जैसे जैसे इवेंट्स हैपन होते जा रहे थे उनके एडवांटेजेस के अकॉर्डिंग ही वाज मेकिंग अप द प्लान्स. नाउ यू हैव टू आंसर इट अकॉर्डिंगली. नाउ सी, Osabel was very clever and the way a detective should be. वो दिखते डिटेक्टिव जैसे नहीं थे बट he has a clever mind, right, like a detective. He made the plan to get rid of Max. Now he has made a plan how to get rid of Max. Now, from the very beginning, बिल्कुल starting से, जो evident कहाँ से है? From the story of the imaginary balcony. We can see जो imaginary balcony की story उन्होंने beginning में plot कर दी थी, उससे it's very clear. He knew the waiter would come to deliver his drinks. वो earlier already जानते थे कि waiter उनको drink serve करने के लिए आएंगे. And उन्होंने बहुत ही carefully what he did, he planned carefully to create the imaginary police. एक imaginary police create कर दी उन्होंने, who would have compelled Max to jump, जो Max को compel करेंगे to jump on the non-existent balcony. किस पे? On to the non-existent balcony, and that is why हम बोल सकते हैं yes, he very smartly, he was a smart detective and who befooled a very clever criminal. Okay, so this is all. I hope you understood the answers and it's well explained and understood clearly by you. So this is all for the chapter. Go through it, and now tomorrow in our next class we are going to do something new. We'll start with something new. Okay, so I hope you will all be present over here to continue with the next topic in our next class. Okay, students. So this is all for the class today. Now just take care of yourself. Read the text. If any doubts, we'll clear it in our next class. Okay. Till then, just take care of yourself and stay safe.